Hello everyone, my name is Seetal and I'm from UP. Today I am learning English and today I want to share with you how to be consistent and how I'm trying to be consistent, because when I started to learn English with consistency, I had broken my consistency a lot of time, but I don't want to break it. So I will tell you how I fix it out and how I figure out, and it is very important to anything whatever we will learn. So it is very important we have to be consistent. Yes. So it's very easy to be consistent. But why it is important and what we have to do, so we will discuss about each and everything. So first of all, let's discuss why it is important to be consistent. Yes. You know what? When we be consistent, then everything we can learn very easily and we just some when we do any work with consistency, then we can fix, then we can solve, then we can learn any kind of skill very sometimes. If we will break again and again our consistency, then what happen? We will break out. Then our mind don't want to continue. Our mind say, yes, what if this is not my cup of tea? I'm not able to do this. So what you have to do? You, I will tell you everything, okay? So first of all, what you have to do, you don't need to make long terms. Long term means you don't need to make long goals. Yes. We can divide our goals into small parts. Yes. So, like if we are studying on one day 10 hours, so it's not good for us. If we are studying 2 or 3 hours daily, so it's good for us. In this study, we can improve our English and we can improve ourselves. So, that is required. Here is consistency, because in spoken English skills is also very important that we want to be consistent, because in spoken English requires lot of things. Because you know what, this is my experience, because I am learning. So I realized, because if I am doing 2 or 3 days practice, and if I'm not stopped, I'm just my mind, if I'm going somewhere, I'm busy. So if I didn't do practice that time, so if next day I want to do continue it, so my mind say no, it's very difficult. I don't want to continue it. So yes, that is big thing. Then again we have to push ourselves. Again we have to say again. So the next thing, let's talk about it, how we can do long term to be consistent. Yes. So first of all, we have to take a pen and a paper. We have to write down what we have to do, make our goals. Yes. It is important to make our goals, because if we don't know what we have to do and what is our goal, so let's take an example. Like I am learning English. If you are also learning English, so what you have to do, you have to take pen and copy. Then you have to write down, like today what will I do? Today I will practice 1 hour. I will listen 30 minutes. I will write 50 minutes. That things, and then you have to try to follow within throughout the day. You can follow anytime, you can speak anytime, whatever, whenever you will free, then you can do this, you can continue this, you can fulfill. And then with the last of the day, you can reward yourself, and then you can say, I was do best today, I was consistent today. So you don't need to make large goal, just starting, just you have to say, I will follow this within some times, and try to make only 1 week plan. Yes. So you know what? When we make 1 week plan, then what happened? We will able to complete it. We will be able to complete it. It not became very difficult for us, because it's our cup of tea. then our mind understand, yes, it's not a difficult, it's just 1 week I have to follow, I have to just give this part of only 2 hours, it's not a difficult. So suppose if you complete your 1 week plan, then after the 1 week you will also realize I did something today. In this week I get lot of knowledge, I complete my every work, I also learn, I did practice. Your English also you will see the result. You will see how I'm changing and how much I changed my English. Your English will be changed if you are struggling with studies like school studies, any kind of, then you will also get to know how much difference you will realize. Okay, so that is the thing you have to follow. I am also following because without consistency our days will pass like the waves, month and month we will regret it. So don't regret it, start again and don't worry about it. If you will follow, if you don't say it is small things, because small things when it becomes long terms you will not realize, and then your English also will be fluent. Because when we do regularly speaking English, practice English, learning English, everything we will do, so we will get to know my English was improving and I am learning English, I am improving day by day, and it makes me inculcate this habit, makes me perfect, and I am acquiring my fluency and I'm going towards my fluency. So it is benefit of consistency. Yes, so that's all I want to share with you. So keep practicing, don't think it is a small thing, it is very beneficial for me. I am consistent and I will do my task every day, and I will listen every day, I will learn every day, and everything will be perfect because I am consistent. So even don't focus even with grammar, try to just speak every day if you want to speak English fluent. So see you in the next video and bye bye.